These are my friends for many years. He always come and get my food. This is his beautiful wife, Dominicana. Welcome to the new Moshas Reggae Lounge. Welcome my new friends. Yeah, see that? They've been supporting me for years and they found me. Now, tomorrow we're gonna be having a special for the ladies. This is Vernon. This is the angel that's been hooking me up for the longest while. This is my nosy friend. Yeah, all right. So tomorrow we're gonna have a special Cuba Libre free for the girls from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock.